Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain the reduce method of arrays. The reduce method reduces an array to a single value. A very good use of the reduce method would be to sum up all the values of an array. Imagine we have an online store and somebody has a bunch of items in their cart. We could sum up the prices of all the items and create a total. Let's create an array of prices. Let prices equals, make up some prices. $5, $10, $15, $20, $25. That's fine. And I will create a function that we will use as a callback. Function checkout. We'll call this function when we would like to check out and make a purchase. So there are at least two parameters that we need. Total, this parameter will hold the accumulated value as well as the current element that we're working with. We will return, if we're trying to create a sum of all the elements, total plus element. So when we return a value, we will reuse it as an argument for the next iteration. This is how we can reduce all the elements of an array to a single value. Let's create a total variable, and this will hold the final price that the user has to pay. To reduce all of these prices to a single value, we type the name of the array, use the built-in reduce method, and pass in the callback, checkout. Then I will just display what our total is. Console.log. I'll use a template literal for this. I will use a set of backticks. The total is total. Okay, so the total price is $75. Let's add something else, something that is $30. Now the total is $105. So that's the reduce method of arrays. It reduces an array to a single value. A fantastic use of the reduce method is to sum up an array of values, like items in a shopping cart, and create a total. That's the reduce method of arrays. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And well, yeah, that's the reduce method of arrays in JavaScript.